I give you my heart.
What's up, Landri Nation? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you are new here, my name is Landri, and please subscribe to the Landri Nation. And right now, I am here with a very special guest, Grayson. So today we are going to be doing a little skit, like a slime package. So right here we got the box. We got the box.
It's upside down, guys.
So yeah,
Love.
so a girl texted us lately.
Move, Landry.
Lately.
Sis. Love.
And now I got to package her
love.
thing.
Wait, hold up.
So I've got the box, and then
Love.
this is gonna be her extra,
Love.
and then this little slime's gonna be her extra, and then this is gonna come with a little container that she can do. So yeah. So what we're gonna do now, and then we're gonna do a little squishy. So we're gonna put the extras in like a little baggie.
I got a secret.
So let me go.
Landry, let me tell you something.
No.
Because they would think like we farted.
So the Grayson. So I've got a little extra baggie. It has little candy pieces in it. So she likes candy.
candy.
She likes a lot of candy. Come on, you gotta help me package. So we gonna put
pokey pack.
got some candy, a few suckers and cowtails in there. And then we're going to put the extra container in there. They're a boy and a girl. Yeah, that's who ordered. They're a boy and a girl, right? So I'm gonna put the little extras in the bag. It's a little farm bag. It's an extra bag.
We had a birthday yesterday with our little step
So
brother.
now I'm gonna put the
Our little
extra
stepbrother,
unicorn
guys.
squishy up in there. Huh?
Harrison, we had a birthday with him.
Yep.
Little step
So
brother.
this one is like the limited edition, so I'm gonna bubble wrap it. Cause this one, the top comes off of this one a lot, so I'm gonna bubble wrap it.
And this is the farty putty.
Yeah, we're gonna give her this flirt putty because she texted us and said if we had, cause we showed some of these on our YouTube channel.
Yes, she understood.
So we're gonna do that.
And we
then
have
we've got
Blue Ocean Breeze.
yes, we've got this.
But we're
Ocean
not giving
Breeze
that away.
this week.
We have
So then
watermelon.
Yep, it's called watermelon. I want you to play with it. Play with it. Play with it. Play with it. You're not. Oh yeah, and we're gonna
Watch out for this
We're
pokey
gonna give her
later.
extra slime.
I got a stiffy bear trap. Somebody
And
steps in
this
it.
container, those containers usually break. So like yeah. We're gonna
I
go
got
ahead
a pokey
We're gonna go ahead
wiener.
put that in there just in case. So
Is this-
now we are going. So we've got this chocolate ice cream, and it smells super good. And
Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
She actually ordered
Oh,
just
somebody-
vanilla ice cream, but we don't have vanilla ice
Look.
cream, right?
We do have vanilla ice cream.
No, this is not vanilla ice cream. This is mint chocolate. She asked for vanilla ice cream,
Landry.
but like you know,
Landry.
this is mint chocolate.
Landry. We gotta do votes.
Oh yeah, votes on what?
At the end of the story, like, we have to vote that the people win something.
Oh yes, we're
Guys.
gonna do giveaways.
Guys, give away. Whoever subscribes to our channels
No,
gets to have my sister's thangy.
no. Whoever
All
subscribes
this
to our
love.
channel
No.
will be able to get a free Bobo from JoJo Siwa. A free Bobo. All you gotta do is subscribe to our channel and add me on Snapchat. My name is
Landry Denton. We gotta do votes.
no, my name is Landri Queen. So yeah.
Not Landry Denton.
My name is Landri Queen on Snapchat, so please add me. So if you want one of these, you gotta add me on Snapchat and subscribe. So yeah. So that is all. Now
No,
we're
the
going-
votes.
Now we're going to ship this to her.
The-
Ship this to them. So
The first vote
Let's ship
is...
it. That's all, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I got a slime package from Landri and Grayson Slime.
Yeah, look at me.
It's a big package, so I hope it has hair in
I
it.
had doo-doo in my hand. She love her.
This is a... Look at the bag.
Yeah, I know, Richard.
My name is Cecilia.
Oh my god.
My blanket! You like my bowl?
No.
Oh! She gave me an extra slime.
Oh. Hey, I want the fart slime. I took it first. I took it first.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh.
She gave me an extra container. Ooh! Squishy.
Got it first.
Ah! What is that? Is that a puppy?
My fart keeps coming off of my head.
Oh, she got me a big unicorn squishy.
I touched
I'm
this
gonna
one.
review this one. This one's called Grape. It has hair in it. Oh my goodness!
Look, this one calls this.
I love hairs.
Oh, that
I love
studio.
This. Why did you do that? You messed it up. You're stupid, Richard.
I'm not Richard. My name is Fatty Pants.
Fatty.
No, my name is Fart.
She gave us stupid food. Like what? It says masquerade.
Yeah, right. I got fat
She
fart.
totally did it.
Her shit
It has
gave me
hairs
fresh-
in it.
Her shit. Hey, Mom. Hey, I don't know what your name is, but she gave us candies.
Yes.
Where's
now
the
you
bubble
got
gum?
this one.
She said she gonna give us bubble gum. My fart keeps on falling off of my heart.
Hey!
What are you doing, Grandma? Party slime.
Yes.
Whew. Hello.
This one's called Oaken Breeze. Okay. So this was the end of this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. And now we're gonna be doing
Hey, we
voting.
were Landri and Grayson.
Yes, we were the people who played the ugly kids, the kids that ordered the slime. So yeah, we played them, and then we were the ones who also played as the slime.
Let's do a slime
The
sucker.
slime shop people. So
Landri,
like you know,
Let's do a slime sucker. Let's put this white thing into the slime, and let's eat. And
okay.
let's eat the grape.
So now let's do voting since you wanted to do voting. So let's do it.
The first vote goes to Patty Angela.
The second vote goes to Aubrey Pass.
The third vote goes to Gavin Wrong.
The fourth vote goes to Layla Thornton. So that's all I have for you, Landy Nation. So please check out our part
Congratulations.
2. So we're gonna have a part 2 video. He's gonna be vlogging on his camera. So please go and check out his videos. So yeah, that's all I got for you, Landy Nation. Bye.